Maayong adlaw. If you are an inspiring VA like me, then this video is for you. Let's practice together. So for today's task, we'll schedule a weekly leadership meeting using Google Calendar. Here are the following details. First, we have the date and time. That's every Wednesday at 10 a.m. PST. We have the platform, which is the Google Meet, and the attendees are the following. Our goal here is to create this recurring meeting invite, add all the attendees, and make sure it repeats every Wednesday. Alright, so let's start. You need to open your Google Calendar and make sure you're signed into your Google account. Then, after you open your Google Calendar, on the left, you can see the create button. Click it, then click event. Then here, you can see the title, but let's choose more options. Let's click this. I prefer this because the interface won't keep moving and you can see all the details in one place. Right, so after clicking the more options, let's add the title of this event. So I have here the weekly leadership meeting. So this is the title of this meeting, and then let's set the date. So let's begin next week. That's October 22, and then the time is at 10 a.m. Right here. Then let's add a time zone. The time zone is PST, so it is already PST here, so I don't need to change anything. But if your time zone is different, make sure to adjust it to match your client's time. So if you need another time zone, or if you're using another time zone, just check this box. Then here you can find or look for the time zone that you're looking for. Okay, but I'll just uncheck it because I don't need to edit anything here. It's already PST, so let's click OK. Then after the time zone, let's choose click does not repeat. So below, I can see here already weekly on Wednesday. So this is what we're going to choose. But if you're looking for like another day, not Wednesday, you can click custom. This will appear, so you can choose which day you prefer or the meeting is. Then you can also edit if it's every day, if it's per week, per month, or per year. Okay, so I'll just choose Wednesday and then a week or 1 week. Then here, I will just choose never because I don't know when this meeting will end. But if you know, you have the date, you can schedule the date here. So maybe next year, for example, January 21. And then after is that we have your occurrences. So how many times does this meeting have? So you can edit also the number, maybe 5 occurrences. So it depends. Okay. And then so for me, I'll just choose never, then done. Right. So after that, we need to add Google Meet link. By doing that, you need to click add Google Meet video conferencing. This will automatically generate a meeting link that everyone can use to join. You can see the link below here. You can also add a location if it's needed. And then add notification. Maybe for example, like 30 minutes before the meeting, you can add more. It could be 10 minutes, or you can also set it for hours, days, and even weeks. All right. Okay. For the next step, we need to go to the add guests. It's on the right here. You need to add emails or the email addresses of your attendees. Type their emails here. For example, this is one of the emails of the guests. Okay, here. So you will see it below. So once they put all their emails, they'll receive an invite once you save this event. All right. So once you added all the emails, check everything, the date, the time, and so on. Then once everything looks good, click save and then send. So once you save and then send, Google Calendar will email the invites to everyone automatically, and you're done. And that's how you schedule a weekly meeting using Google Calendar. It's simple, practical, and something every aspiring VA should know. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, follow, or share for more vague practical tips. See you in the next one. Bye.